Oh my god. Okay, so this tour was
way better than the tour we had in Hawaii. This one was so good.
If you want a chocolate farm tour, you should come here. We're gonna go on a chocolate farm tour this morning here in South America in Mindo. The last time we did a chocolate farm tour in Hawaii, it went, you know, just the way it should have. Except for I forgot my batteries to the camera. Here we are back at the visitor center with a new battery finally, and we're gonna try some of their white chocolate. So this time I'm really hoping that we can capture some better stuff. Just a side note, Mindo Ecuador is known first off for its lush rainforest surroundings, but it's also known to have some of the most amount of bird species to be found in one spot anywhere in the world. Chocolate tours, birds, Ecuador, Mindo, this is gonna be great as long as it doesn't rain. Okay, follow me. Not you, Laura. You.
Now, before the tour, Sergio, who by the way speaks 5 different languages, briefed us on what to expect on the tour. We even got to try raw cacao flesh, which looks like something out of sci-fi, but tastes like a yellow and pink starburst combined. I love my job. From the dried beans to the crushed nibs, the cacao plant to the chocolate bar, this tour would detail the whole process.
Isn't this cool? They're cacao beans, dried up.
And you can paint it with gold.
We just got done with a walkthrough of where some of the cacao trees are grown. Not everything is grown here where the factory actually is because it's too cold up here. Even though the temperature stays around the same throughout the entire year. Yeah, it's not warm enough for the cacao trees. So they grow some here, for example, but nothing is actually grown here. Everything that has to do with making chocolate bars is done here. So we got to see their whole garden, which
It was so cool.
had
Like every plant in the world. It was like a Noah's Ark for plants.
Next up, we're gonna try some of the chocolates that are produced here. They don't make anything more milk chocolate than a 66-33% mix of chocolate. That's the most sugar they'll put into their chocolate. This way it reserves that much more cacao and flavor. Little did I know, milk chocolate is like a cheap man's trick. Milk chocolate is almost entirely sugar and about 8% cacao.
Different chocolates that we produce here.
Check this out.
These 3 without flavors.
Okay.
85 pure, 77, 67. The difference is only sugar. 15 sugar, 23 sugar, 33 sugar, so more sweet, more sweet. With flavors, they are all 77 like this one. Exception coffee, 67 because it's also a little bit more bitter.
Okay.
Then you add with coffee, chili, salt and pepper, cardamom, macadamia nut, and ginger.
They made little pieces, little droplets of chocolate.
Okay, I'm gonna try the 85% first.
85%. Good.
Now I'm going for the 77. Wow, that's really good. You wouldn't even know it was dark chocolate. I went for the 67 and I picked the biggest piece.
This is the most sugar they put in their chocolate. So this will be the sweetest piece of chocolate we get.
That's really good chocolate. Wow. That tastes so good. Are you done? Because I want to eat more.
What are we trying next, Laura?
Coffee.
Next, they have incorporated the coffee bean from the same farm into their chocolate.
Ooh, that's good. I can taste the coffee.
It's like coffee nibs, little chunks.
There is little chunks in there.
The coffee is literally crunching between my teeth along with the chocolate. That is delicious.
The next one is chili pepper. Weird, but I'm trying it. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. You just wait. Woo. Wow.
There is a serious building heat going on right now.
Woo.
This takes sweet and spicy.
To a whole new level. I've never tasted anything like that.
What's this one?
This one's salt and pepper. I like the salt. That's
Weird.
good.
Yeah, it's a really savory chocolate.
It tastes like sea salt chocolate. Alright. Next one is cardamom.
What is cardamom? It's a bean.
It's like what they use in India.
Seeds from a fruit.
It's a seeds from
It's not up there.
I know, but I don't like. I just don't know what the flavor is. I can't remember. Cardamom chocolate. He just brought out some brownie and some of the chocolate before it's actually solidified.
A little bit.
100%.
The chocolate we saw spinning
It's
in the back is very intense, but they literally gave us a spoon and a whole bowl of it.
Whoa, it's intense.
Sticks in your mouth. It's difficult to swallow.
This is like taking a spoonful of cinnamon. It is like powder, liquid powder in your mouth.
Now we're going to mix it.
A spoonful of
It's
sugar.
a big difference. Compensate people in the city now taste almost like chocolate. Again,
It's like I just made chocolate in my mouth.
again.
Okay.
Don't eat it. We wait 1 hour, then you can eat it.
Okay, 1 hour wait time.
I'm joking. Coffee that we produce here is coffee. And now you mix it all in your mouth like
Okay.
that. And now you get chocolate with coffee flavor.
It's hard at first.
But when you start melting and make it warmer in your mouth, then melts.
Mmm.
Yeah, that's good.
This next spoon is mixed with ginger honey. Ginger honey is not made from bees. It's actually just ginger and brown sugar melted together, but it's called ginger honey because it
That's
tastes
really
like honey.
good.
So this type of sugar we're adding to our chocolate palette here, our chocolate base, is a little
and now
bit different.
you add chocolate with ginger flavor.
Yeah. Isn't that good?
I wanted to try this
It's
so bad.
sweet and sour. You
Cocoa
can
honey.
use it like a kind of balsamic to dress fresh salads.
Whoa!
Made from the actual fruit flesh around the bean of cacao.
Sweet
This
and
is
sour.
a cacao reduction.
Yes, a cacao reduction.
You could totally put that on a salad.
Yeah, almost like balsamic.
Chicken wings marinated in a barbecue cacao sauce.
I can smell this already.
Ribs at the
Cacao.
grill.
Oh my
Steak,
gosh.
pork, burger.
Barbecue sauce made from cacao.
That's so good.
Wow, the cacao barbecue sauce is made with a base of that cacao honey, and then it's just got a couple ingredients that make it spice it up. That is so good. I would love that on chicken or beef.
Yeah.
Last but not least, he's leaving us with a brownie,
Oh.
the coldest brownie.
With that block.
Oh my god. Okay, so this tour was,
Way better than the tour we had in Hawaii. This one was so good.
if you want a chocolate farm tour, you should come here, because this is way more than the farm. This is the factory, and Hawaii, you guys did wonderful. But
It
the
was
chocolate,
nice,
the chocolate tasting you get here is absolutely unheard of. You get to try the 3 different types of chocolate: dark, medium, and light chocolate. Then you have 6 different flavored chocolates, and then they bring you out this chocolate paste that you think is gonna be the most delicious chocolate paste you've ever eaten. And it's like liquid
Super bitter.
powder, bitter chocolate. I'm pretty sure hands down that's the best brownie I've ever eaten.
Ever. I've never had a better brownie. Truly.
By far, the best part of this tour was the chocolate tasting, obviously. I'm gonna enjoy this last bite. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoy our video, be sure to subscribe. Thank you. What would you like to get out of this tour? Hold on.
I'm sure they were going to bring more food for us, but this is what we got. This is what we got.
We're leaving and we're gonna have lunch there, so we don't need to eat. My glasses just started like fogging up and fogging up and fogging up.
Different products with a similar effect.
Smell it.
Later on we also go to taste
My face. I'm like, come on, get rid of those
for your
wrinkles.
lips, for your hair, make it stronger and with more shine. Persons that
Oh.
coffee.
Oh wow, yeah.
When they turn red, you pick them. Look like.
Oh wow, those are all mine. You can make some good margaritas with those.
We need a saw blade. And
Is this all for us?
we get to try some. Laura wants to eat all of this chocolate. 77, this is better than me.
I can taste the coffee.
It's like coffee nibs, little chunks.
There is little chunks in there.
It's like cracking in my teeth. In my tweet.
My tweet.